I'm gonna sneeze, guys. The past 2 days, I've eaten so many. I'm gonna I'm fine. I'm great. I'm gonna sneeze.
Bless you. Prosit.
Here we go. Sneeze, not sneeze.
Bless you.
Prosit.
Oh my god.
Prosit.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Fuck you.
Did you say fuck you?
Thank you.
I'm gonna sneeze maybe. What if I sneezed right now? Oh my god. That's insane. Holy hell. That's a little crazy. Hey, Konya. Hey, bless you. Thank you so much. Thank you for blessing me, guys. Thank you for the prosit as well, Tiny. The Alix SNEEZES show. The silliest show ever. What if I sneezed right now, guys? Would you be angry with me? Interesting hypothesis. Very interesting indeed. What makes you say that? Because they love to suffer? I'm gonna sneeze. Bitch. Oh my god! Whoa! I clicked the torch! Broskies, I'm a Daggerfall genius. I'm gonna sneeze. That was crazy. Oh my god. Yeah, sometimes it's
Like.
yeah. Thanks, Briar, thanks.
Can you, Mommy? Can you immediately smoke here on safe so
Yeah.
they can't peek at the same time? Just wait because they're missing it again.